guys, Winston here, and today we'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Typhoon LII. Let's see what the Typhoon LII is about. Alright, comes with 2 RGB strips and 3 RGB fans and a RGB hub controller. Alright, so looks like it's a complete RGB kit for your PC. So let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Typhoon LII cooling kit. Comes with 3 ARGB fans, a control hub and 2 ARGB strips. Okay, let's take a look inside the box. Alright, first off we have the control hub, and it can control up to 10 fans, so very interesting, and 2 LED strips. It's powered by a Molex, 4-pin Molex, and this one is the 3-pin ARGB connector that goes to the motherboard. Alright, we have the LED strips there. Quite small though, and there's 2 LED strips, and what do we have here? Welcome to Yeyian Typhoon LII. It's the instruction manual, I guess. Some fan screws. There's 1, 2, and 3 sets of the fan screws. The RGB controlling remote. Let's take a look at the fans. Okay, alright, so we have 1, 2, and 3. So we got 3 ARGB fans. Let's take a look at the fans in more detail. Alright, here we have the fans. It's got this ring LED in the front facing and also back facing as well. The fan blades are translucent, so you get the RGB lighting as well. And this connector then goes to the fan controller. You only have 1 cable, which is decent. A lot of the fans, RGB fans that we have, comes with the 2 cables. One control the RGB, the other control the fan speed. This one has just 1 fan connector, which, you know, pretty decent. Saves me from the cable management side of things. But yeah, you got 3 of them. So these are good, I suppose, for radiators and cases. And we'll plug these in and see how they look with the fan controller. Alright, so that was a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Typhoon LII cooling kit. And there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Typhoon LII RGB cooling kit with RGB strips and a hub.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this via links in the description. And of course, visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.